Now the next question is how to attempt the reading section. Before solving any unseen passage, keep in mind the following points. Try to recognize the main points of the passage, coordinate the relationship between different parts of the passage, analyze the ideas in the text, try to find out the meaning of the tough words in the passage. Once you follow these simple steps, then you can solve the reading section very easily. Now this is the topic. The topic is a glimpse of Benazir Bhutto's life. This is a normal unseen passage. In this passage, we have told you where Benazir Bhutto was born, about her achievement, about her education, about her married life, family background, etc. Miss Bhutto was attacked by a suicide bomber. She survived the attack. Next time, a strange gunman first attacked her car and then detonated a bomb, killing himself and some bystanders. Miss Bhutto died immediately after she was rushed to the hospital.